Hey there. Want to unlock the true premium value of your Amex points? Transferring them to airline miles is often the key to booking incredible first and business class award flights. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to transfer. In your membership rewards account, find Transfer Points. You'll see a list of airline partners like Delta, SkyMiles, British Airways, Avios, and Air Canada, Aeroplan. Select your partner, link your frequent flyer account, and choose how many points to transfer. Transfers are usually instant or take up to 48 hours. Then, book your award flight directly on the airline's website using your miles. My crucial pro tip? Check transfer bonuses before you transfer. Amex regularly offers bonus promotions, like transferring 1,000 points to get 1,300 miles. Always search for current transfer bonuses, they can dramatically increase the value of your points. That's the strategic move that turns points into luxury travel experiences. What's your favorite Amex transfer partner? Delta, Air Canada, or another? Share your preference below. For more advanced points strategies, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.